guys, this is Becca, back with the Millman family. Sorry about not making a video on Friday like I normally try and do, but it was my fiance's birthday on Thursday, and he just turned 25, so I was kind of relaxing and, you know, like, taking it easy, because I had to run around and do birthday stuff for, like, the whole week before. But now I am back. And in the last video, we got Cheryl a new makeover, which this is her new makeover. And I'm gonna have her where should I make her go? I want her to start, like, making friends. And let's see, Quill. I don't even know anybody that lives there. Caliente, O'Leary, Shore. Maybe let's see if she can enter into the eating contest. Let's see. I don't think she can. There's a ton of people there, though. Let's have her, let's see who she's, like, friends with. Smits? Sure. Okay. Let's invite out Ariana Smits, which is, like, the lady she's, like, most friendly with, I guess you could say. And jumping over to Daniel, he has a new want to check self out in mirror, which kind of seems a little weird. But, let's have him chat with his girlfriend and then do his homework. And where's Tanisha? She needs to have a little fun, but let's get her to chat with Philip Annan, and then maybe that'll give her enough fun where she can get her homework done. And Casey's doing her homework right now. And Dre is doing his homework, and then he is, I don't know. He can talk with his chat with his girlfriend. Let's get Casey to chat with her boyfriend. Courtney needs to do her homework, and then she can chat with her boyfriend. And Charlotte is going home, but she really doesn't need to, because she really needs to do her homework and then talk with her best friend that is from school. Derek, let's get him to charm his snake again, if we can get there. Let's have Cheryl invite her friend out to the Founders Park. And let's see if we can get Derek to, oh, she's about to head out in a few. Okay. So, instead, hey look, it's a raccoon. Let's see if we can watch the raccoon. Let's have him watch the raccoon. Let's see what he thinks of the raccoon. The raccoon is thinking of a squid. Alright, let's see. What do you think, Derek? when you're done, let's have you read. Here's the raccoon. It's just kind of sitting there, not really doing anything. And it's thinking of a baseball. And yeah. Okay, so Cheryl's off to the park, and I think all of the children are... Oh my god, I'm so getting mad now. Let's shoo the raccoon. Pick up the trash can, clean up the trash, and then read. And the damn raccoon is searching through my garbage. That's disgusting. But anyways, come on, shoo him. Okay, so Cheryl is now at the park, and she gets a memory for visiting the park. Let's see if we can find who she's here to visit. There's that cute little puppy. Rocky Dog. Oh my gosh, it's barking. Alyssa Seagull. Okay, so let's have these guys be friendly and just like chit chat for a little while, because brag about being a doctor. Let's have her do that, because she doesn't really get out much to talk with people, so nice to see her see somebody outside of the family. And I think this dog is gonna die of like hunger because it can't get up the steps. So let's pick up the pet. And then go here with it, because it's really hungry, the poor thing. It's not a stray dog, it's somebody's dog, but it's stuck down here. And the person's like not caring, obviously. Oh, makes me want to cry, because I feel bad because he's like hungry. Anyways. Let's see, Tanisha is done, so let's have her go home because she needs to shower and a few other things. And let's see, Casey's done. Oh, there's another one. And let's get him to go home. So, yeah. Hurry up, the dog is like starving to death. And I don't know why people keep bringing their dogs down in here, but it's not a good place for puppies because puppies can't walk up the stairs, so they're like starving to death down in there. And the owners aren't even taking care of them. It's sad. Okay, well I'm gonna get him up here so he can at least go eat at the dog park down the road. And hurry up. He's starving. Okay, now put down pet. Because he's hungry. Do the same thing with this one. Hurry up. He's starving. Oh wait, that might be their owner. Okay, go eat. Let's see if I can feed him a treat. Maybe that helps their hunger. Okay, never mind. Just let the puppy go. But look, he's hungry too. Go. I got an idea. Pick up the pet. let's go down to the dog park and put him next to the food. So then we'll have her go here. Okay, fast forward until she gets here. Come on, hurry up. Wasting time. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're coming to the dog park now. Wherever she is. She's like really slow or something. Oh, because she's walking. She's not running, so I guess when you carry pets you can't run. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. Now put him down right here. Stop carrying the pet and put him down. He's starving to death. Okay, now go home. Alright, jumping over to the house. We have a few people at home now. And one of them is still Derek. And let's see what he needs to do. He needs to sleep. So let's put him to bed. I feel like when I say like let's put him to bed, I feel like he's like a 2-year-old. Like I have to put him in his crib or something. That's just how I feel. But anyways. Let's have him sleep, because that's Daniel and he's tired. And what the heck is she doing? Bathe until tranquil. Okay, let's sleep. And let's get Casey to sleep. And Ray needs to go upstairs and sleep. And okay, Courtney is showering, and then let's get her to eat some organic cereal and then go to sleep, because she's both hungry and tired. No, not the mirror. Sleep. And then we have Charlotte, who just needs to sleep. And then let's get Cheryl to come home and bottle feed Faith, because Faith is pretty hungry right now. But I want to jump over and make sure the dog gets something to eat since we brought it here. And it's not like eating, it's just like chasing its tail. I don't really know, I don't understand. I mean, I brought him here so he could eat out of these dishes that have food in them, and he's choosing to stand here and just like whine about being hungry, so it kind of makes no sense. But okay, eat. Okay, now he's whining because he's tired, but he hasn't ate, so I don't get it. Okay, anyways, jumping over to Cheryl, because she's running down the street. Okay, we're running to go bottle feed Faith, and I don't know why Faith is on the damn beach, but that's just where she is. And let's jump over to Fortune right now, because Fortune needs to go home and eat. Wait, stop galloping around. Go home. You're hungry. You're hungry. Go home. Okay. We're going to follow Fortune home, because she's pretty close. Just down the road a little bit. And she needs to eat and drink and go to sleep. And she needs exercise, but she's getting some right now from running home. But let's take her out back let's get her to eat hay, drink, and then let's get her to nap. And after Faith is done being that, okay, now Cheryl needs to come home and eat the leftover sushi. Leftover sushi in the house, or in the refrigerator, I mean. And then I may have her serve, let's see, what's something we haven't served in a while? Maybe we can serve spaghetti for her in the morning, and then she needs to go upstairs and sleep. And when Daniel gets up, he needs to eat, so let's get him to have sushi. And Tanisha also needs to eat, so let's get her to eat sushi. And Casey needs to eat, but since she's a vegetarian, she won't eat the sushi, so let's give her a cereal. Dre can eat the sushi. Courtney is not really hungry, but let's get Charlotte to eat the sushi also. And the dad also can eat the sushi. I don't know how much is left, but that's the only thing that we really have in there right now, so that's what I have to give them. And it's Thursday at like 12:30 in the morning on game. And let's see how many days Faith has left. She only has 12 days left until her birthday. So she's getting very close to becoming an adult horsey. And Faith is not even halfway through her adult life yet, because I do play on Epic still. And Fortune is now going to drink out of the water trough, and then she's going to go to sleep and be close to Faith because it makes her happy. But Cheryl is done eating now and is going to make spaghetti. And I want to see how many days before Tanisha moves out. Okay. And Charlotte's birthday is right after Faith's birthday. Right after Faith becomes an adult horse, it'll be right a couple days later, it'll be Charlotte's birthday, and she'll be a teen. And let's see. I think I told you in the last video, but all these small animals have passed away. They don't have any more left. And I didn't do that today. I did it another day. Ariana Smits came home with Cheryl because they're in a group outing thing. But I think before Cheryl goes to bed, she should I don't see, I guess it's, oh, she just said, I'm getting a bit sleepy, I should head home, you sure know how to have a good time, call me anytime for fun or whatever you concoct. What a great time, everyone was pleased with the outing and will be excited to get out again. And so Ariana Smits is leaving, and she gets a movelet that says, great time out, hanging out was a blast, we had so much fun together. And Cheryl is still cooking her spaghetti. Let's fast forward through her cooking. Okay, well, Cheryl is off to the hospital because there's an emergency at the hospital and she has to work emergencies. So she's leaving to go do that now, and she's not going to be able to go to sleep until till she's done at work, which she's kind of standing there because she's like kind of passing out a little bit because she's really tired. But she's off now. I'm gonna click a few people to eat spaghetti when they get up instead, because I don't know how much sushi is left there. So let's see. That's probably good. But Cheryl is out of the house now, which is why the house went dark. And time is going fast now because everyone's sleeping. Even Fortune is sleeping now. And I don't know if anyone has tomorrow off, but it doesn't look it. Anyways, someone has to give Fortune a little attention. Maybe we can get Faith to give her attention because she's kind of lonely. No free vacations today. And Derek is on his way downstairs to get some food. And then he's going to need to go upstairs to his bedroom and clean the shower, take a shower, clean the toilet, use the toilet. And I don't know if I showed you this, but I added a bookshelf, chair, and a couch and chair, and the martial arts things, and a fortune cookie maker to the upstairs outside of the parents' bedroom. And yeah. So he's gonna eat his food, and let's see. When Courtney gets up, I'm gonna have her eat spaghetti. And it looks like Casey's about up. And Dre. But yeah. And Cheryl is totally exhausted, but she still has to work today. Well, what was this girl reading? Point Farmer, the story of Grant Rodiak. And Cheryl earned $463 for going to the emergency. And she needs to come home and sleep because she's really tired now. And washing dishes. And Casey's up now and coming to get organic cereal. And who else? I think Dre's up, yep. And he's coming to get spaghetti. And Derek's off to shower and things like that. And everyone's carpool is going to be coming in about an hour. And the rest of the children seem to still be sleeping. And let's see, after Casey's done eating, let's have her come in here and take a quick shower because she's like not even halfway up in her hygiene. So she could definitely use a shower. And let's get Faith to talk with her mom. But we have to get Fortune out of the box stall and Faith out of the box stall for them to be able to talk to one another. So fast forward a little bit to get them out. Okay, so Faith has left the box stall and Fortune is about to exit. Oh, and everything is here. And Cheryl is back off to work again, which is horrible. And let's get them to socialize like 3 times. And then Faith needs to nurse. And then maybe they can play chase and then play horseplay because they both need exercise. And let's see, meet new friends. Yeah, you don't need to eat now because you can eat at school. And meet new friends. Okay. So let's see what food was not eaten from them taking it out of the fridge. Sometimes they take it out and then just leave it on like the counter or something because they didn't get to eat it in time. But I don't really see any food out, so I'm guessing they didn't take any extra food out today. And as Derek's late for work, which I don't really know how because he was going to work when I last saw him, but talk to friends, meet new friends, talk to friends, and the horses are socializing, which they're kind of funny because they make a lot of noise, but they're having a grand old time talking with one another. And I have to have Derek meet the medical professional because he's new at the medical business. And I'm going to have Cheryl sleep a little bit because she's really tired. And she's like going to pass out. So she needs to sleep. And so their socialization's like way up now, but Faith is about to nurse from Fortune. And she's doing a funny like thing with her feet. Well, this is where I'm going to leave you for this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on my channel, and I will talk to you later. Bye!